Hi guys, so here's the unboxing video of G-Tech 88 Muscle 2 racket. This comes from the House of Leaning, and this is the packet. This will come from a bike, so I recommend the racket may bend when it will come from a bike. So this is the only demerit which I found for now. Let's open the box and see what we get in this. This one also. Packaging is good. Still, there is a risk of getting this racket bent. Okay, here it is. You get a nice sturdy cover with it. Let's open it. Okay, here is it. Here is your racket. Nice cover. Thumbs up for it. I mean, really nice quality. Okay guys, so now we will open this and see how it is. So you can see this is a imported product and this was made in China. The MRP stands at 2890. So here's your racket. I like the build quality actually. The build quality is really good. But then the string tension, that is not really good. I think the string tension will be around 18 to 20. So this racket is not good for smashing. You can only play some drop shots and all. Actually, I've been using another racket. This is another racket which I've been using. This is the same variant of this. This is again the G-Tech 88 Muscle. So this grip is really good. I would recommend you to purchase grips like this, and I will just give you a link in the description so you can purchase this grip. So talking about this racket, I've been playing it in the court, and trust me, this don't have any power. The strings, they are not really good. Yeah, you can do one thing is you can just cut them off and you can adjust your strings, some new strings to 24 lbs, because above it this frame will just shatter away. So I won't recommend you to go above 24 lbs. I think 24 lbs will also be a very high range for this racket, but you can go for it and this will work. So basically, if you're looking for a racket which is good for smashing, under 1000 variant won't help you. You can go for other variants like Carbonix 8000 and all, which will cost you around 2200 rupees. But this is a racket for the ones who are just recreating the game, who are the beginners and they are learning the sports, or if you are a high level player and you're not smashing that much, you can go for it, no doubt. Guys, so I've heard people saying on the online platforms that this racket is good for smashing, this is a dope racket and everything like this. But I will tell you, please don't get scammed. This racket is not really good for smashing. If you are a beginner, you can go for it. Or if you are just a player who just don't like to smash, you can go for it. But this is not a good racket for smashing. I will tell you why. People say that the rackets fit joint. They don't have power, so they are not good for smashing. This is a Smash XP 809 series from the House of Leaning, and the rackets which don't have a joint, which have a inbuilt T-joint, they are really powerful and you can go for the smashing. But let me tell you, you can get rackets for a range of 2200 to 300 from other companies which don't have a joint, which have an inbuilt T-joint, but they are just worthless. And now I will tell you one thing. When you see a racket, and if you want to see if this is a good for smashing or not, simple trick is you can just push down the strings, and if it really comes down very easily, then that is not good for you. When you will hit the shuttle very fiercely, there will be a big pore in between these strings, so that is why this is not good for smashing. This will not give you control, and the sweet sound when you hit the shuttle very fiercely, this won't come from this racket. Now talking about some higher series racket like this Carbonex 8000 plus, I will tell you, when you are pushing it down, the strings will won't come down easily, and when you are pushing it up, the strings won't come up easily. So when you will hit the shuttle very fiercely from this racket, the sweet music and the sweet spot, that will give you the maximum power. So that is why I'm telling you this racket is not good for smashing. And hope you liked my video. If you did like, please subscribe to my channel, because I'm coming up with more unboxing videos, and I will compare these two rackets, Carbonix and this racket, in the other video. So stay tuned. Thank you.